Did you know that angles have names? And did you know that you can name them several different ways? Today we're going to talk about the different ways that we can name angles. If you notice here, this angle has letters attached to it. In the top, it says A. At this point, it says B. And here it says C. These letters are used to describe different angles. We can use ABC. They could have also used EFG or RQP. These letters don't really have a reason. It's just we use letters to name angles, and if we have more than one angle, we want to use different letters so that we don't get them confused. This one is ABC because it's the first angle that we're looking at. So we talked about this point being named B. This point is called the vertex of the angle. It's important because, as you may know, when we're measuring angles, we're really measuring this area here. The measurement from the top to the bottom. So the vertex shows the area or the point of the angle. Okay, so let's name this angle. We use this symbol to refer to the term angle. It's a tiny little angle. So the angle ABC. That's one way to name this angle. We can also say the angle CBA. Notice that I'm going in order, ABC or CBA, backwards or forwards. We can name the angle either way. Another name for this angle is angle B. Because the vertex is B, we can name the angle angle B and forget about the other letters. We also can talk about the vertex. The vertex is called point B. Because as you can see with the red, the point or the angle makes a point, and that is called a vertex, and then we name it point B because we chose B as our letter. Let's look at this another way. Let me draw a similar angle. As you remember, my last angle was named ABC. I'm going to record this angle BAC. Again, the letters we choose are completely random. It doesn't matter what order or how we choose them. We tend to choose a set that are near each other, like I said earlier, ABC, EFG, etc. So don't get confused on why the letters are there. Just know that they're just a random name. So now this angle, because the vertex is labeled A, the name changes a bit. If I was going to name this angle, it would be angle BAC or angle CAB or angle A. The vertex would be called point A. What's really important in naming angles is that you're going in order. So when I name this angle, I don't start at the vertex. I start from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top. This can get very confusing when we have more than one angle represented. When you take two long lines and cross them, it creates two angles. Here's one angle. Here's another angle. So we have to come up with names for both angles. Because these two angles have the same vertex, the point in the middle that attaches them, their vertex are also going to be named the same. And in this case, it's D. So now, if we called this angle angle D, we wouldn't know which one we're really referring to. So we would try to use a different name. The red angle could be named angle FDE or angle EDF. The blue angle could be named angle CDG or angle GDC. You might be saying, Mrs. Fodder, I see more angles. You're absolutely right. When we cross two lines, we actually get 4 angles. We have the red angle, the blue angle, we have this purple angle, and we have this green angle. So now we can even name more angles. The purple angle could be named angle CDF or angle FDC. The green angle could be named, what do you think? Hopefully you thought either angle EDG or angle GDE. It gets confusing, but if you follow this simple rule, it really makes it more simple. If you start in one end and go around, either way. Thank you for watching my tutorial on angle names. Stay tuned for another tutorial on how to find out the angle measurement without using a protractor.